Hey guys, it's Scott here, and I hope you've enjoyed our tutorials for technology for the 21st century classroom. We put these tutorials together because we understand as teachers it's so hard to keep up with the latest innovations. We're a tech company and we barely can do it ourselves. So we thought we'd make it really simple, really easy and really accessible for you guys as teachers to find out about this technology and implement it into your classroom. Now we'll be uploading more videos as it comes and putting together more resources for you all. But until then, talk to your students and find out what tech they're using and find out ways that you guys can implement it into the classroom. One of our favourite things to do is collaborative lesson planning, where you talk to your students and find out what they want to learn about and how they want to learn, and then work together to find ways that it can be implemented with the curriculum. We'd love to see you guys trying that and hear about what you've been doing. And as well as these tutorials, we also run workshops, teaching kids from grades 4 through to grade 12 about new and emerging technologies with a focus on creativity and hands-on learning. These workshops are called our Digital Creator Suite, and we run them with schools across the country. So if you want us to come to your school and show students how these technologies can be applied to the real world, make sure to head to our website at www.bopindustries.com. I hope you've enjoyed these tutorials, and until next time, I'm Scott and I'm from BOP. See you soon, guys.